go. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, yes. Yun. Ay, Daddy, bawal ka. Eh, baka sabihin kasabot tayo. Ayun. Yes, sir. What's your name? Yun, katabi niya. Yes, sir. What's your name po?
Joseph.
Yes, what's your name po? Ayun. Yes, what's your name po? Joseph, I have a special, random question for you. Joseph, male or female? Male. Mahilig sa male, Ayan. Ayun, yes, sir. Another question for you, sir. Young or old? Matanda or bata? Oy, mahilig sa bata, young. What's your name po? Oh, yes, anybody else? Anybody? Ayun, yes! Yes po, yes! I have a question for you, sir. What's your name po, sir? Jake. Basketball player, Jake, or artista? Basketball player. Very good, basketball player. The answers, Daddy. Given the answers, who do you have in mind? Male, bata, basketball player. Oy, Scotty? Scotty Pippen? Scotty Thompson. Tama ba, Thompson? Scotty Thompson. Okay? So, sobrang excited ko kagabi. Daddy, nanaginip ako last night I had a dream. Sa dream ko, I was talking to a celebrity, sikat na tao. Sabi nung celebrity na yon, happiest birthday, Gabe. Alampakan natin si Gabe. And of course, welcome to the Christian World kay Rafa. Si celebrity na yung gusto nung malaman kung sino nasa panaginip ko. Sinulat ko sa papel, Daddy. Nasa loob ng balloon. I-shake mo. Okay, go. Here. Inside my dream, I wrote something in that paper inside the balloon. You were holding the balloon the entire time. Kayo umiikot sa inyo yung balloon. Maya, IL, please join us here. Please open the paper. Show this to us. Open the paper, Daddy. It's in your hand. Open and show to us what is written. Written inside the paper is another dad. Scotty Thompson. That's the person. You can have that as a souvenir, Daddy. Scotty Thompson. Maraming salamat, Daddy. Thank you so much.